welcome back to another video. This is going to be a nail art video. So I was messing about with cat eyes, as you can see on this hand, and this like effect where it's like shiny at the top and then there's no cat eye at the bottom, but then when you put it at a certain angle you get that really like crisp line, which I did on all of them, as you can see. You can like doop, doop. And I'd seen videos of it, and like, because they don't explain what they're doing, they just show it. It actually took a lot of messing around and several tries before I figured out how to do it. So I thought for other people that like this effect and are not sure how to do it, I would make a video doing this effect, obviously on this hand, because I really like the way that it came out. But we're going to use a different colour, and instead of using stars to decorate, I'm going to try and paint some snowflakes on, because obviously we are in November now. Christmas is coming up. So yeah, now when it comes to magnets, I had like this long one here which only has like a magnet on either end, but it's very strong. I've got your typical rectangle and circle one, but I actually went out and bought the kind of magnet that they show in the videos, which is one of these. Now I paid like 80p for this off of Temu, so and it works perfectly fine. There's no need to spend a stupid amount of money on magnets. So I've already put my tips on, prepped them and put a base coat on, and I'm going in with this brand. It's the same range as this purple one, which is the glass Cateye range, except this is in bloom. So I will show you in real time me doing a nail and explaining everything that I am doing exactly, so you are able to easily replicate that. And that's just my phone going off. And then I will do the rest and put it in like fast motion. Now, another thing where I see people making a mistake when they're putting on their Cateye, they're not putting on enough. So I always put on a layer covering the whole nail like this, which I actually call the slip layer, and then I actually go in without scraping off anything off the brush and go back in again, because you want to make sure you are using enough of the Cateye. Like with some polishes, like you've got to be careful of like wrenching, or like, you know, where it goes all wrinkly and stuff like that. With Cateye, more is the better. So obviously once we've got our Cateye on, we are just going to go in with our magnet and we're going to make a wide Cateye. Which is hard for me to see because I can't see what I'm doing because of the camera. There we go, you can't see what I'm doing because of the angle I've got my finger at either. And then once you've got your wide Cateye, you'll want to turn your magnet onto the side, and you're not going to want to put the magnet like up against the nail like this where it's like at that angle. What you want to do is you want to put it just above the nail and then slightly turn it on a diagonal like that. So make sure I've got my thumb at an angle where you can see the Cateye. So you want to go just above and turn it diagonally. And then you get that. And then I flash cure it. I go on, do the other nails, which I will do now, and I will fast forward it, so you know you're not sitting here for half hour just watch me do the exact same thing over and over and over again. So here we go, and you can see, go down, you got that really bright line, and then you go up and you've got the dark tips and the cateye at the bottom of the nail. And the funny thing is once you know how to do it, it is really, really easy. But it took me days of messing about for me to actually figure out how to do it properly. So that is why I was doing this video. So in case there's more of you that was like, oh, I really like that, but couldn't get it to work, follow my instructions and you will not have a problem. So now we have our pretty cateye nails. They're so good. We are going to move on to just doing a little bit of decoration to them. And I'm going to use some cute little white snowflake stickers that I got from Betsy. I'm not sure if it was Christmas this year I got it or Christmas last year, because I've been getting Betsy for a while now, and I want to kind of do it like I did with these, so it's not covering the whole nail but sort of like coming across like that. So that is what we have got so far. Ooh, actually get my thumb in frame, which it does not want to focus on, for goodness sake. There we go. And I've just got some plain white gel polish on here, and we are just going to put some, using a dot and tool, some random dots in different sizes. Here is the finished look. A nice little simple look for winter. And yeah, I hope I explained how to do this cateye look well enough for you guys, so you can recreate it at home. So like the French tip and then down, and you've got that highlighted end, like where it goes sharp. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this kind of like tutorial where I show you how to do different things like this and you like them, please let me know in the comment section below. As always, my Etsy shop for my press on nails, the link is in the description, and I'll see you in another video.